Our mission is to help you learn the English language. We have created easy-to-follow, free educational materials for those seeking knowledge of English.
Good morning, Mr. Bell. How are you today? Are you here to sort out your LC documents?
Yes, I've been through them and there's a problem, a rather major discrepancy actually. You see, it should be KN 509.
I see. Here it says KM 509.
Exactly. If we accept these, it could cause a lot of problems in our record and our account system because the numbers don't match.
Yes, I see what you mean. You need to reject these documents.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Is it possible for me to buy some rib at this counter?
Of course, that's no problem at all.
That's a relief. I was a little worried about it. I left England in a bit of a hurry.
How much would you like to change?
Well, I'm only here for 3 days, so I think 500 gap should be plenty.
Please fill in this exchange form, and I'll need to see your passport, and sign here. That's the money and your passport back. Of course, if you don't spend all of it, you can come back and we'd be happy to buy the local currency back from you. That price of ours, by the way, is for a minimum quantity of 1,000 saddles.
Yes, I noticed that. To what extent would local assembly help sales, did you say?
20 to 30%. But we proposed the plan from the storage and delivery viewpoint. That is to say, less warehouse space and prompt delivery.
Yes, of course. Assembly would be quite a simple matter. Cycle dealers could put them together in a very short time.
Sales have been exceptionally good during the past 12 months.
Yes, I've noticed that. Where have you been placing them?
All in the local market. 1 or 2 suggestions that came in from the distribution might interest you.
Yes. What were they? Anything that will help sales?
Perhaps. General opinion is that the rear carrier should be offered as an extra.
That's to keep the price down, I suppose. I'll take it up with our overseas department and listen to what they've got to say about this.
Thanks. Okay. Now let's go on to talk about initial deposits.
Good idea. How much do I need to deposit?
For agreement savings, we ask for 100,000 rib.
And how do I withdraw if I need to?
You can use a type of agreement savings account the same as a settlement account.
I'm sorry, refresh my mind. What's different about a Type B account?
With a Type B account, it cannot be directly involved in any transaction and it cannot be applied to any external withdrawal service.
I'm so frustrated.
What's wrong, Jim?
I called the electronics shop to find out what time they close, and it took me 20 minutes to get what I wanted.
20 minutes just to find out what their business hours are.
Yes. They have some sort of digital receptionist. So when I called in, a machine told me to push a button for the department I wanted to be transferred to.
Oh, I hate getting voicemail instead of a person. What did you do?
I just kept pushing buttons. I was transferred to customer service, but there a machine told me to choose between technical help, warranty information, or price information.
Couldn't you choose to be transferred to a real person?
Eventually I did get to a real person. I found out the closing time, but by then the store had already closed. Can you tell me, Ms. Smith, about the training programs you initiated this year?
We ran a call center training service and language program to ensure that our customer service representatives are well trained.
What's the result?
We directly attribute an increase in our customer service feedback of 50% to the increase in language skills and training that our employees have received.
That seems very impressive. Good work.
Thank you, but I cannot take all the credit. Our employees have all worked very hard to increase their productivity level.
Good afternoon. What can I do for you today, madam?
It's a little sensitive, actually. I need to get hold of some money, and quickly.
Okay, madam. We are here to help.
I already have some time deposits with you, but unfortunately, they haven't matured yet. I really don't want to cash those just yet.
I understand completely. There are other options, such as a personal pledge loan.
I've not heard of that. Could you tell me more, please?
The procedure is really simple and convenient. All you need to do is fill in this loan application form.
Write anything else?
Of course, we'll need some documentation from you, like your resident permit, proof of salary and your USD deposit certificate, to use as collateral.
And then I just sign here? You're right. It's certainly as simple and extremely convenient.
I wonder if you could allow us any discount for this commodity. It's the general practice that wholesalers usually get some discount from manufacturers or suppliers.
As a rule, we don't allow any discount.
But we usually get a discount of 3% to 5% from our other suppliers. Actually, some discount on your prices would make it easier for us to promote sales, you know.
That's true, but I am sorry I can't make an exception. We have quoted you our lowest price. We can't give you any more discounts.
I've just taken out an insurance policy. Are you insured?
Yes, I am. I have life insurance in my home and its contents are also insured.
I took out a life insurance policy and made my wife the beneficiary.
That's a good idea. You are a fireman and it can be a dangerous job.
I need to make sure that my wife will be financially secure if I die.
I can terminate my life insurance policy when I retire and use the money as a pension.
That's one of the conditions of my police too. It covers you if you die before you retire and when you retire.
Did you have to take a medical before you could take out the police?
Yes, I did. It was one of the conditions of the insurance police. The insurance companies need to assess the risk.
What separates your product from the competition?
Our product features inventory tracking software, which continuously updates and tracks your inventory on a real-time basis.
Is the software user-friendly?
Yes, it is very easy to use and each system installation comes with a 3-day employee training seminar.
Is this training part of the package or will it cost extra?
Our quoted price includes the software system, installation, 3-day training seminar and ongoing troubleshooting. There are no hidden costs.
Welcome to eBay. Which service do you require?
I hope you can help me. I've been told about something called Financing Link.
Yes, that is our personal wealth management service.
Could you tell me more?
Of course. Financing Link is a value-added service and can be tailored to suit your requirements.
So, I can choose exactly what services I require. That's brilliant. Can I use the card if I'm overseas to withdraw my daily expenses?
Certainly. We can arrange the structure to suit whatever you require. That's why this service is so popular. It's suitable for everyone because we make it that way.
This is just what I've been looking for. Sign me up right away, please.
How are you doing?
Great. Thanks.
May I help you with something?
I would like to transfer some money.
Where would you like to transfer money from?
Take it from my savings account.
Where would you like the money transferred?
I want it transferred into my checking account.
How much would you like to transfer?
I would like to transfer $200.
Will that be all today?
That's it for today. Thank you.
Good day, madam. What service do you require today?
I'd like some info about your payroll services, please.
It's possible to sign an agreement with us, and then we can pay your staff directly. That is called an entrustment agreement.
I see. How is it paid? I mean, what payment methods are possible?
We can transfer the funds each month, at your request, into each employee's account. It is possible to pay in cash or to pay directly to the employee's savings account, no matter which bank they do business with.
That sounds pretty good. Tell me, must we use the same payment method for all of our employees?
Not at all. We can adjust the payment methods depending on the requirement of each employee.
That sounds just perfect. I'll talk things over with some colleagues and get back to you. Thank you very much for the information.
Can you change American dollars into French francs?
Yes. How much do you want?
$50. What is the exchange rate today?
$1 to 5 francs. Is that all right?
Yes, please. And you can cash my traveler's check, can't you?
Of course, we can.
I want to be here tomorrow. What are your business hours?
10 o'clock in the morning to 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Thank you.
Not at all.
Hello, sir. How can we help you today?
I need to find out some more information for LCI. Would like an outline of responsibilities, both ours, yours and the beneficiary, please.
Okay, to start, the conditions are specified by the buyer and may include insurance forms, way bills, bills of lading, customs forms, various certificates.
Okay, got it. Is there anything else I need to know before we go ahead?
Just that in effect, a basic letter of credit is a financial contract between the bank's customer, and the beneficiary, and this contract involves the transfer of goods or services against funds.
That sounds fine, thanks for that. Let's go ahead.
Our mission is to help you learn the English language. We have created easy-to-follow, free educational materials for those seeking knowledge of English.